right?
Evaluating Jack tonight. As I said earlier, Jack's doing the first project from the interpersonal communication manual. Jack, I'm going to tell you about a few things that I liked about your speech, and I'm going to give you a few things that I thought you could have done to improve a little. And I'll tell you what I like the best part about it. The first part was the first part of your speech, your introduction. You did a nice job coming out here and telling everybody the value of good conversation and why it's important. And not only that, but you told us where you were going to go with it. You told us you were going to have a little demonstration and some questions and answers, and you laid the entire speech out. So we had a perfectly good idea of where you were going to go with the speech. The other thing I thought you did well was you knew the topic well. You'd obviously done your homework. You knew the four phases of conversation, right from the how's the weather level to the very intimate level. You explained it well, it was very clear, it was very nicely done. The other thing that you did that I liked was you came out here in front and spoke to everybody, and you got eye contact pretty much all the way around the room. Sometimes we hide back here behind the podium, but I like to see people out here in front. However, speaking of eye contact, one of the things that I thought you could have improved on was there were times when you were thinking about where you were going to go next, and your eyes kind of met the floor, kind of went to the ceiling a couple of times. It was only a couple of places, but it did happen a few times, and you're actually improving on that very well. So just keep those eyes at people level. Another item that I thought you could have improved on, and I think maybe you've forgotten this, but you actually explained in the middle of your steps that this was a progression. You said you did step 1, you did step 2, and then you explained that, oh, by the way, this is a progression. I suspect that you meant to do that at the beginning, but since you didn't do it, I personally would have left it till the end and done all the 4 stages first and then explain that. Finally, the conclusion was a little abrupt. When you sat down, you basically you didn't ask if there were any other questions. You just went over and sat down. That was the last thing I noticed. But overall, I thought your speech was well done. It was very informative, and I feel like I learned something today. So thank you very much for your speech.